7/4 and 7/8 are not the same thing, and I'm going to tell you how they're different because it's a very easy mistake to make. It's also a very simple explanation. 7/4 is 7 quarter notes, and 7/8 is 7/8 notes. That's all you really need to know. But a good way to practice it is to go betwixt the two. So I'm going to play an 8th note groove, and I'm going to jump between the different time signatures. You're going to very quickly see how these are different. So 7/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Notice how I'm playing 8th notes within it, and I'm not playing 7 8th notes. I'm playing way more than that. Remember, we're playing 7 quarter notes per bar. Now 7/8, we're going to count 7 8th notes on the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Comes around a lot quicker usually. So I'm going to play a bar of 7/4 and then a bar of 7/8, and we're going to jump between the two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will apply across the board between time signatures with 4 or 8 at the bottom. If this is confusing you, hopefully this has cleared it up just a little bit. If you have no idea what I'm currently talking about, what the hell is a time signature, feel free to check out the video I've just done on time signatures. I think I'm going to do a whole series of videos just talking about how to play and what are different time signatures. So keep an eye out for that. Big love. Mwah.